In today's class, we are going to teach you how to make your very own perfume. Everything that we are using in today's video can be found on the website, as well as any other essential oils you could think of to choose that you would like to, if you would like to change it to make it your own. Making perfume is a really fun way to be creative, and it can be suited to what you like. You can really play around. Today we are going to make a rosy mint perfume. I love those scents. And we're going to be making it two ways. The two ways that you can make it is an oil-based perfume with a lightweight carrier oil. We are using jojoba oil, and the other way is a perfume spray with Perfume's alcohol and essential oils. When making perfume, we need to understand the different fragrance notes. There are three notes that we use. There's a top note, a middle note, and a base note. The top notes are the first scents that you smell, and they evaporate quickly. They give you the first impression of what the perfume is going to be. The middle notes, they form the core of the fragrance. They last longer than the top notes. And the base notes, they are the foundation of the perfume, and that gives it the depth and the longevity that it needs. So let's get started. I'm going to show you what we're going to use to make this perfume, and we'll get going. So what we'll be needing today is a pocket scale, our beakers to mix everything into, and a little funnel to pour it into the jars. We'll be using jojoba oil for our oil-based perfume. Here's our Perfume's base, and that we'll make in the spray. We have a beautiful perfume spray bottle and a glass dropper bottle, as well as our different essential oils. The basic perfume ratio is 70% top note, 20% middle notes, and 10% base notes. Okay, we're going to start by turning on our scale, and we'll place our beaker on here, and we're going to add our jojoba oil. I'm going to just stir it so that it's on 0, and I'm going to add in 30 grams. Okay, now we're going to add in our essential oils, and for this recipe we need, for our top notes, we are going to be adding in 10 drops of peppermint essential oil, and we're going to be adding in 8 drops of bergamot. For our middle notes, we are going to be using 15 drops of geranium, rose geranium, and 10 drops of geranium essential oil. And for our base notes, we are going to be using 5 drops of patchouli, three drops of sandalwood, and we're going to do 2 drops of vanilla. Vanilla is a great base for most perfumes, and it's just the most glorious smell. I love it. So now we're just going to give it a bit of a stir. We're going to then put it into the bottle and cap it, and we're going to let it age for at least 48 hours, even up to a few weeks in a cool, dark place, and this allows the scents to really meld and develop, and then you will have your perfume. Now we're going to put the cap on, and then we're going to let it do its thing for the next 48 hours. And there you have it. Now you can even put on a beautiful little label, and you have your very own oil-based perfume that smells amazing. Right, so now we're going to be making our alcohol-based perfume. And to start that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of alcohol, or you could use your scale and put approximately 30 grams, or 30 mils. Okay. Right, so now we're going to add our essential oils. For our top note, we are doing 10 drops of peppermint essential oil. And we're going to do 8 drops of bergamot essential oil. This comes out quite quickly, so I need to be careful. And then for our middle notes, we are using 10 drops of rose geranium oil and 15 drops of geranium essential oil. And then for our base notes, we are doing 5 drops of patchouli, and we are doing 3 drops of sandalwood, and we are doing 2 drops of vanilla. Okay, so we're just going to stir this now, and then we're going to transfer it into our spray bottle, and we're going to let it age for at least 48 hours up to a few weeks in a cool, dark place, and this will allow the scent to really develop well. It smells lovely. It already smells divine, and it hasn't even aged yet. There's our bottle. I'm going to use a little funnel for this one. In it goes. And there you have it. You've just made a really beautiful smelling perfume. So easy and just so fun, and a very, very, very nice thing to do for gifts, for yourself. You can learn how to play around and have a lot of fun.